Clun Castle was once a unique and imposing castle on the Welsh border in Shropshire. Founded by Lord Robert de Say in the early 11th century, after he seized the lands from the control of Anglo-Saxon Eric the Wild during the Norman invasion of England. Robert de Say built a unique motte and bailey fortification to defend Clun. Instead of the usual bailey normally associated with Norman design, Clun Castle had two multiple level baileys. During the 12th and 13th centuries, the castle became embroiled in border skirmishes between the English and Welsh. The Crown decided to make Clun Castle and its lands a marcher barony, known as the Honour of Clun. The honour gave the lord the right to govern his land on its own, rather than being part of English law. This gave the Lord of Clun Castle the right to execute criminals for his own behalf, rather than a representative of the Crown. During this period, the castle was refortified after being inherited by William Fitz-Alan's second son. It was decided that this castle would become his family's main residence. The 80-foot keep was positioned on the north side of the motte, built in stone. It had 4 stories and was of typical late Norman design with round-head windows and pilaster buttresses. Unique in design, the keep was built off-centre on the motte, with more emphasis given to comfort rather than security and fortification. The upper 3 stories were for residential use. Each floor was given its own fireplace and had 5 large round-headed windows. The Fitz-Alan family remained at Clun Castle during the unsettled Welsh border disputes, helping to protect England. Now a powerful nobility, the family had acquired Arundel Castle through marriage. Arundel Castle became the new Fitz-Alan residence, and Clun Castle was transformed into the family hunting lodge and horse stud.
I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.